Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. I hope that you people are doing well. Today we are going to discuss the topic that all of you have been waiting for all this while. Social media marketing course. I believe that you have enrolled in this course because you wanted to know this topic. And this topic is the combination of 10 different videos. So today I'm going to show you the topic that you have been waiting for. And what is the topic? Social media marketing strategy. So what is included in the social media marketing strategy? What are the things that we have to keep in mind? How do we execute a successful social media marketing strategy? These set of videos now coming ahead starting from today will tell you all about social media marketing strategy. Let's have a look and see what is actually included in the social media marketing strategy and what is the scope of these lectures that I'm going to cover for you. Remember, whenever you attend a course, either my course or any courses, you have something that which is called course description, or what should you expect from a course. You should go through that before you actually enroll in a course. A lot of the time I see that students enroll in courses and their expectations are something else, and they see something else in the course. So if you have joined this course because you want to learn social media analytics and you want to learn the statistics behind it, well, that's not the right course for you, because here I'm going to cover most of the strategies, the theories and the action plans, and then how to execute those plans and how to put the strategies into action. Probably that would be another course that I will share with you. So but in today's lecture we are going to cover the things related to social media marketing strategy. What is it? Let's have a look. The first one: set the objectives and goals. What are the set of objectives or goals that you want to acquire and that you want to achieve with your social media marketing? Then know everything about your target audience. Well, I cannot emphasize more on the importance of knowing your market, because once you know your market, you'd be able to market to them the way that they would accept. So know your audience. That is very important. It's for presentation skills as well. By the way, I'm also working on a course on presentation skills. I have trained hundreds and thousands of students on effective presentation skills, and I have trained the organizational employees around the world, different type of organizations, from banks to insurance companies to telecommunication companies to airline industry. I've trained these employees on how to effectively communicate and present. So one of the things that, and I'm going to make a course and I'm going to share with you that course as well. So one of the things in the effective presentation and communication is that know your audience. That is what it is here as well. Understand everything about your target audience. Then research the competition. Know your competitors. They say that if you want to beat your enemy, know your enemy. So if you want to know what are the strategies that are used by your competitors, that way you can design your own strategy better than your competitors. So know your competitors, understand their strategies, understand their move, and then prepare your own move. Select the right social media platform for the audience or for the market that you are targeting. I showed you in the last lecture 10 different social media platforms, top 10 social media platforms around the world, and I told you that companies don't use all of them at the same time, and that is what it is mentioned in point number 4, that you have to select the right social media platform related to your industry, related to your business. So for me, when I create educational content, the best social media platform or the best platform for my company, for my nature of business, is educational platforms. So the most common ones that I post my courses are on Udemy, on Skillshare and Coursera, and so on and so forth, apart from my own personal platform that you have seen, the marketing school. Then we have set brand guidelines. That is number 5. Set your brand guidelines. What image of your brand you want to portray using social media marketing. Build your initial presence. I was listening to this famous YouTuber, and now he is no more an unknown personality. Everybody knows him, and we are talking about Mr. Beast. And I was listening to Mr. Beast, and he mentioned that if you are a newbie, if you're a newcomer in social media, and that applies to personal, individual, and companies, companies or businesses, social media platforms as well. The first step is to make sure that you establish your presence. People should know that you're there, because no matter how good your products are and services are, no matter how good your social media content is, but if people don't know, they're not going to watch, they're not going to consume the content. So build your initial presence, and for that Mr. Beast recommended to have at least 100 videos. So create 100 videos, create 100 content blog posts without worrying about people are watching or people are not watching, people are reading or people are not reading your blogs. Just go there, create content, and after 100 videos, after creating 100 posts, after creating 100 blogs, then talk to us about people are buying or not buying your product. So that is the step where you create or build your initial presence. The seventh important part in the social media marketing strategy is that plan the type of content that you want to share with your audience. Remember, right now I'm recording this video, there are backstage activities that you may not be able to see. Why? Because I don't want to share that content with you. Sometime I share with you. For example, I picked a cup of coffee or a cup of tea and I sip it. This part, sometime I include in my videos, sometime I don't include in my videos. I may use this method, I may sip a cup of coffee in my every video, but do you see that in my every video? No, you only see in this video. Why? Because that is the type of content that I want to share with you when I want to share with you. So if you want to share a certain type of content, ensure that that is exactly what you want to share with your audience, because if you share something which is not related to what they want to see or what they have come for on your social media platform, it will backfire. And that's why there is a lot happening right now in front of me, but you don't see that, and I will not share with you because that is not the content that you are here for. The next important thing in the social media marketing strategy is create social media content calendar. So I have my calendar of social media marketing, and it reminds me and it gives me an idea when to post a particular content on which social media platform. For example, every Tuesday I post on YouTube, every Friday I post on Instagram, every Thursday I post on LinkedIn. And that's why you have to create your own social media platform based on your research, why you are posting at a particular time on a particular day. And that calendar will help you stay organized and stay disciplined. And then run advertisements on social media platforms to promote your product and services. I think one of the things that companies and content creators ignore is the power of ads or the power of advertisements. Paid ads especially. So you have to run paid ads in order to promote your content, in order to reach a wider group of customers, a wider group of people, because now you know that all these social media platforms are businesses. They also want to earn. And how do they earn? They earn from our paid ads, and these paid ads are also helpful for us to push our material to a group of people that may not see our content otherwise. Test and evaluate your result. So whatever social media marketing strategy you're using, remember to test the content. Even on Facebook, on YouTube, there is something which is called A/B testing, where you test your ad on different group of customer, on different parameters, and see which one is doing good, and then you continue with the one which is doing good and disconnect or discontinue with the one which did not perform well. So we can create multiple ad campaigns, and I'm going to show you probably another course how to create an ad campaign on Facebook, and that campaign will have a lot of different type of ads in order to test the market and then evaluate which ad perform well, and then disable the one which are not performing well and keep on running or continue the one that is doing well. That is the broad or a summary of social media marketing strategy. We will have a video on each one of them, each one of the 10 important things that I told you. So stay tuned. don't go anywhere, because this is what you want to learn and this is what will help you execute a successful social media marketing. I hope that you're enjoying. Stay tuned. Bye.